No, there is no specific waiting period before you can request a repair, subject to the terms of your plan book. However, you must report any fault as soon as possible, always within 7 days, and ensure no repair is started without prior authorization from Warrantywise. Starting repairs without prior authorization may result in your repair being declined. You are free to use any VAT-registered repair garage of your choice for repairs under your plan. We can recommend a Warrantywise partner repair garage if required. Yes, to get a repair assessed, you must have your garage diagnose the fault and submit an assessment form to us. Then wait for Warrantywise to approve the repair request before any work begins. To make a repair request, you must follow the simple steps within our repairs process, linked below. Throughout the process, you will be kept up to date by our repairs team to ensure you know what is happening. No, you will not have to pay an excess deductible or make any compulsory contribution towards approved repair costs. Unless you have opted for a voluntary contribution in your warranty plan when purchasing directly from Warrantywise. Including a voluntary contribution in your warranty plan allows you to pay a set amount towards any approved repair costs, which can lower the overall price of your warranty. For more information on Warrantywise's repair process, get in touch with our team on 01254 355 100 or visit warrantywise.co.uk.